Hi guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thematic investing, white paper, vintage, and blockchain. This piece is part of a large white paper investing in thematic from a PM perspective. perspective. Paper currency is dying fast as technology shift how people cash and interact with their money. Vintage solutions are expanding access and improving the efficiency of financial service and user interface are fast becoming all digital through online banking, digital wallets, crowdfunding, and buy now, pay later BNPL service. But digital dispersion remains a work in progress at traditional financial firms. For example, transfer between banks or across border can still take multi, multiple days to sell. Over time, we expect vintage and blockchain solution to become more integral across the financial service ecosystem, resolving some of these inefficiencies and as user adoption rises so will its permanence in portfolios. Key takeaways. We expect the digital transformation to bring financial service, including mobile payments, online banking, and alternative lending platform to previously unbanked and underserved population. The pandemic put fintech adoption into overdrive with digital payments moving into mass adoption. But the fintech market continued to expand with emerging segments such as BNPL, alternative financial, and blockchain solutions are key venues for future growth. Necessity will likely encourage more traditional financial service companies to incorporate cloud banking and blockchain solutions. Why fintech and blockchain are such powerful forecasts? The intersection of financial service and technology or fintech is where people go to spend, lend, borrow, invest, and trade. Fintech makes financial service more personal and inclusive. Over the last 2 years, fintech adoption has increased dramatically and we expect innovation in the space will continue to increase access to the global financial ecosystem. Importantly, traditional financial institutions are integrating fintech in their business models. Firms are under pressure to reduce their reliance on legacy infrastructure while strengthening core banking system to create better consumer experiences. Additionally, the inscribed focus on data convention and analysis to improve corporate decision making has increased interest in fintech. Global investment activity in fintech, including through venture capital, private equity, and M&A, increased from $124.9 billion in 2020 and $148.9 billion in 2019 to $210 billion in 2021. The rise of the digital payments segment illustrates consumer willingness to adopt new technologies and the enormous growth potential for fintech application for consumer, the easy and convenience of buying. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.